If I would tell you right now that you're actually being manipulated almost every single day, you would think that I'm dumb because there is no way a smart, intelligent person like you is manipulated without realizing that. I'm not here undermining anyone's intelligence, but that's the point of manipulation. The moment you realize you're manipulated, it's no longer a manipulation. The problem is that the foundation of media is based on manipulation, and since we're living in this advanced world of technology and social media, we're all victims one way or another. Let me just explain. Whenever you watch the news or come across headlines when you're scrolling through your news feed, the news is always negative and dramatic, as if we are living in the worst period of human history. The economy is about to collapse, the immigrants are about to take our jobs, or the neighboring country is about to attack us. And that really gives you the impression that the world is heading in the wrong direction. But the truth is that the world has never been better or safer as it's today. In the last 100 years, humanity has progressed so much that billions of people have been lifted out of poverty, life expectancy has grown all around the world, and violence has been reduced significantly. In fact, this is how fast the economy has been growing. Most of the growth has happened in the last few decades. Over half of the world's population has been living in extreme poverty 60 years ago, for example, and now that number is below 10%. Incredible, right? But that's not the impression you're given when you watch the news. The problem is that in the 19th century, people in advertising and journalism realized that if they framed their stories and appealed with fear, they could grab much more attention. Because the emotion of fear is so powerful that we find it difficult to control. So they started shifting our attention from the latest crime, financial crisis, to the next scandal. Open any news website now and you will find that 90% of their headlines are targeted on your emotion of fear. For example, these experts have been claiming that dollar is going to collapse in the next few years, or the financial crisis that will happen next year is completely going to destroy US economy. But that next year never seemed to happen. Of course, these experts have a point to a certain extent, but the way it's framed is absolutely misleading just to grab your attention. Or let's take an example of Trump. Whether you like him or not, he constantly uses this strategy to grab the attention of the public. After all, he has been on television for decades, and that's how he got famous in the first place. The only thing that we all remember from his presidential campaign is that he wanted to build a wall to stop all of the immigrants from taking over our jobs, which never happened. I mean, what is the wall? In fact, he constantly talks about how the entire world wants to rip off the United States and take advantage of it, especially this particular country. Don't get me wrong, I'm not here trying to put him down if you're a Trump supporter. That's how the media and politics have been always working. The point of this video is to tell you that don't be driven by fear, because there will always be someone who will take advantage of it and you will always be misled. And be careful when you're reading or watching anything online or anywhere else, even this very video, because chances are you are being manipulated. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.